Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, press the Chrome button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called apps and notifications and tap on it, and here find the option called App Info and select it. And now you can scroll through the list, look for the application you want to uninstall, and once you find it, tap on it, and then you will see the uninstall button, and you can tap on it and tap on the check mark to confirm. And the app will be removed from your watch. Be aware though, not every app is, you will be able, basically not every app is removable, so you won't be able to remove every app from your watch. Some of them won't be able to be removed. Let's see, maybe we can find something that is not removable from here. No, everything here seems to be removable. Yeah, so I guess on this list, App Info, everything is removable, only the system apps probably are not. Yeah, okay. And once you're done, of course, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.